Hello YouTube, I am so excited to bring you this video today. This is my take on Windows 8 development preview. This is what has been released from Microsoft a couple of days ago, maybe a week ago now. They released this to their development people who sit there and write programs for Microsoft or might be writing software for them, just to preview their new operating system and see if the developers like the actual operating system and if they can work on it. Because if they don't, they can just go to Mac or anything else. They can go to a different operating system and put their software to them. So this is a big moment for Microsoft. They really need to get developers buying into their operating system and really loving the operating system. Now that's another thing. I'm not too sure on the operating system at the moment. Remember, this is only a development preview. I don't think it's in beta yet, but no, it's not in beta yet. So that's one thing. So that's one thing. You can see a picture here. This is the lock screen of it. This is the lock screen of it. It looks quite good actually. It looks quite professional of them. It looks more like the phone, which is called I can't remember what the phone calls, but it's the Windows 7 phone. But getting that onto that in a minute. So what it's done is what they're going to do is combine it all together. They're not going to separate the operating system up to little bits, one for tablet, one for desktops, one for the phone. They're all going to combine together and sync with the different computers and tablets together. Also, Microsoft are really trying to work on the point of, well, we need everything to work with each other. So if somebody has a tablet and somebody has a desktop, they can sync together to share files, which is really good. Also, they want to cut down on power usage, so more people are taking laptops out with them on holidays, and they need the battery to be more sufficient on their holiday or going out on work. So that's what they're working towards too. So this has actually got the theme of the Windows Phone 7, which is the Metro style touch interface of live tiles. I'll show you a picture now. Hopefully you can see this picture. So you can see different tiles on it, and the first one is Internet Explorer, then it's the store. I've already tested this out on my laptop. It was a bit buggy. After about 10 minutes of using it, the tiles wouldn't open for me, so I had to shut it down and restart. Remember, this is a preview though, so everything will not work efficiently. Also, the store does not work yet. I think they need to fix that. It says it's coming soon, so we'll just have to wait for that. Windows 8 also has features and gestures to put apps on, like split screen. So we already have this with Windows 7 where we can split different windows, but in this it's more touch oriented, and you can touch it with your hand from going to one side of the screen to the other on your tablet. Also, you have different apps in here you can also try. One thing I found quite hard to get was Windows Update. Quite a lot of people are getting frustrated with that. All you need to do is go into the actual desktop, which looks like Windows 7, and open the Windows Updater from there. So the interface, if you go on the actual desktop, what says desktop, it actually looks a lot like Windows 7 always does. The lock screen is different, as you can see from the picture I'm showing you now. That is totally different. They've changed that. What you do to that is touch it, or touch with your mouse and slide it up, or you can double click with your mouse. It also shows you the battery if you're on Wi-Fi, your email, also video chat and other chats like MSN. Also the pinch to zoom is also with this, so they probably copied off Apple with that, where you pinch to zoom into a web page. Also the scrolling is really easy on it. I don't have a touch device, but it looks quite easy and quite quick to do. Also they have the new Internet Explorer 10, which has been put in this. What this has done is put better hardware in there to go and fit in with Windows 8. I don't know if people will still be using Chrome, because Chrome will not be sufficient when it comes to this. Maybe I'm thinking that Internet Explorer 10, everybody will use it because it will be built in to the operating system, and it will work better with without different web browsers messing with the operating system. As you can see from the picture I'm showing you now, it basically looks the same as you can see from the picture here. The other difference, as you can see with the computer, is the ribbon style at the top. Now we've had this introduced since Office 2007. We've had that introduced and everybody loved it. It was easier than clicking down a long list and then going that way. It was easier to save and it was more efficient to use as what used anything. So they've incorporated that into the Explorer inside of Windows 8. Also, they still have the themes, the different themes you can have for different background things. Well, it's just the same. Also, a big difference I saw was an actual where the windows are. They are not rounded off anymore. They're actually square. So that's a big improvement because I think it looks more professional like that. Also, you can start typing and searching for stuff and sharing stuff inside of Windows 8. All you do is copy and paste something, and then you can go into your side and actually share it. I think these are called gestures. I think. Oh no, charms. They're called charms. All you do is hover over your Windows logo, and then it'll come up with share, and there you go. Also, another big difference with Windows 8 was the boot up time. It was very quick on my laptop, and I've not got an SSD hard drive. I just got a normal laptop, and normal Acer laptop, and it was sufficiently faster than any operating system I've ever on, even faster than Ubuntu. Also, a new thing come into Windows 8, which I was very proud of at the conference, was Windows Task Manager. Now, it's been the same for years and years and years. It's been the same task manager. It's never changed. So they've changed it, and I think they've done a good job with it. And it shows your CPU. It shows all the different processes you've got. Also, on the video they showed, if you're not using an app inside of the Metro style bit of it, then it will actually shut off the process, so it can work. You can work on a different program without it taking any resources up, which I thought was a really good idea and would really be beneficial. Now, we know lots of people have double screens on their desktop these days, so Microsoft has looked at this and said, yeah, that's quite true, that lots of people do have split screens now because they found it more useful. So you can see from the picture here, we have a full picture here. We have a full two-screen picture, and the taskbar at the bottom is different from the first window to the second window. The second window has got a dodgy little picture in the side, and the first screen has got the actual Windows logo there. So there you go, that is different. Apparently you could run different explorers in the different screens, but I tried that and it didn't work, so that might be something different. So overall, the whole thing of it was okay for a preview. I'm looking forward to whatever's going to come next from Windows 8, and hopefully it is more stable, and it's going to get rid of the Windows 7 theme, because I think that's been overrun due now. That they need a different style to it, and also that Metro style. I'm not a big fan of it, but I'll probably get used to it when it becomes more stable and I can use it more efficiently. So thank you for watching this video. This has been PC Windows Online. Remember to rate, comment and subscribe. If you like Windows 8 or if you don't like it, please comment it below. I'd love to hear what you think about the new operating system from Microsoft. So thank you for watching this video again, and I'll see you next time.